A very happy, fresh morning to all of you, my dear little children. I welcome you all to the virtual classes. So, children, how are you all? I hope this video finds you in the best of your health and spirits. This is your English class, and I am your English teacher, Sonia Gupta. So, children, let's start our journey of learning. This is your English book. Now, children, please turn on page number 24. Yes, you can see here, I have opened it. It is lesson 5, Mithu's birthday. What you can see here? Mithu's, Mithus, Mithus, okay, this is apostrophe S. It means Mithu ka birthday. What? Birthday. Mithu's birthday. Mithu is a girl. Okay. So children, today we will simply read this lesson. Okay, क्या करेंगे हम? सिर्फ इस लेसन को हम रीड करेंगे. ओके, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इट. अभी हम इसे कुछ भी एक्सप्लेन नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, ओनली सिंपली रीडिंग. यस, but now in the next class I will explain this lesson. Okay, and definitely you all will enjoy the lesson. Okay, but first of all, pay your attention here. Yes, how am I reading? just observe. आप क्या देखेंगे, क्या ऑब्जर्व करना है आपको कि मैम का प्रोनाउंसिएशन कैसा है, मैम किस तरह से पढ़ रही हैं, आपको उसी तरह से रीड करने की ट्राई करना है घर पर. ओके, समझ रहे हो आप? वेरी गुड चिल्ड्रन. जस्ट लो, ध्यान से देखेंगे. टुडे इज मीथूज बर्थडे. मीथू वेट्स for her birthday the whole year. Read how she enjoys her birthday. Okay, Guddu. Yes, here highlighted in blue color. Yes, गुड्डू. और ये जो दो डॉट देख रहे हो, इसका मतलब होता है गुड्डू सेज. गुड्डू इज सेइंग समथिंग. ओके, तो गुड्डू है, एक गर्ल है ये भी, और ये क्या कह रही है ये देखो. गुड्डू सेज वाव, लुकिंग सो स्मार्ट, इज समथिंग स्पेशल. मीथू सेज यस, इट इज माई बर्थडे टुडे. Guddu says, "Oh, happy birthday." Mithu says, "Thank you. I have come to invite you on my birthday party. Will you come in the evening at 6 o'clock?" Okay, Mithu asked here, "Will you come in the evening at 6 o'clock?" Guddu says, "Oh, why not? Sure, I'll come. I'll come." Okay. Mithu is very happy. You can see here the picture of Mithu. She is Mithu. Yes, is she not looking pretty? Yes, she is looking so pretty. Why is she looking pretty today? Yes, children, you all are correct. It is her birthday. So she is looking pretty, beautiful, and she is very happy today. Mithu is very happy today because she waits for this day the whole year. Children, today I am not explaining, today we are only simply reading. Her friends are with her. All the children are there in colorful dresses. They are in a merry mood. They have birthday caps on their heads. You can see here in this picture. Yes, Mithu is very happy. Yes, her friends, you can see her friends are there with her. All the children are there and they are having birthday caps on their heads. Yes, children? Okay. Now, please let's see on the next page. Mithu is wearing a pink frock. She is looking like an angel. Okay? What? Mithu is cutting her birthday cake. All the children are clapping, singing and dancing. First of all, Mithu gives cake and juice to all the children. Bhanu is Mithu's elder brother. He is also enjoying with them. Mithu's mother is looking very beautiful in sari. She gives sweets and snacks to children. All the children eat and enjoy very much. They play many games. They give some presents to Mithu. All the presents are lying on a table. Mithu is very happy. You can see here in this picture, children, gifts are lying on the table. Yes, and she is Mithu's mother. Yes, she is looking beautiful in a sari. Yes, gifts means presents. Okay, presents means gifts. So, gifts are lying on the table and yes, children are enjoying and eating. Okay, so children, please read in the same way as I have read that lesson. जिस तरह से मैंने इस लेसन को रीड किया है, मैंने इसके वर्ड्स प्रोनाउंस किए हैं, प्लीज़ चिल्ड्रन ट्राई टू डू. ठीक है? एंड डेफिनेटली आई नो you all are very intelligent. Definitely you may read in the same way as I have done. Now children, come to your English notebook. Okay, today I am giving you some homework so that you may revise the topic, and soon I am going to declare the class test of this topic. Yes. Worksheet 2. Use A or an. Blank space, elbow. Yes children, I have told earlier that an is used with vowel sounds. Okay, you know there are 26 letters. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Okay, out of them 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. So, N is used before the vowel sounds and A is used before the consonant sounds. So vowel sounds are e, u, a, o. These are vowel sounds, okay? And rest of our consonant sounds, okay? Now, elbow, blank space, tree, ELBOW, elbow, TREE, tree, ORANGE, orange, HOUSE, house, IGLOO, igloo, FROCK, frock, ANGEL, angel, GIFT, gift, ELDER, elder, BROTHER, brother, elder brother, CHILD, child. Circle the correct option. Question number 2. A slash an apron. Children, circle the correct option. अभी ये हमारा करेक्ट ऑप्शन पे हमें सर्कल करना है. और स्लैश, ये जो स्लैश है, इस स्लैश का मतलब होता है और, कि या तो आपका लेफ़्ट साइड वाला आंसर करेक्ट है या राइट साइड वाला आंसर करेक्ट है. ठीक है, समझ रहे हो आप? तो a or an apron. So what is correct? Which answer is correct? A or an? What? A apron या an apron? Yes children, you are correct. It is vowel sound. So an. Now I have encircled the correct option. Okay. In this way you have to do. A or an bowl. A or an rat. A or an doll. So please encircle the correct answer. Now question number 3. Write plural. अभी हमें यहाँ इनके प्लूरल्स लिखने हैं. समझ रहे हो आप? पता है ना, मैंने आपको सिंगुलर प्लूरल बताए थे. सिंगुलर मीन्स वन एंड प्लूरल मीन्स मैनी. गर्ल, गर्ल्स. लैम्प, लैम्प्स. लेकिन मुझे नहीं पता एस या आएगा या ई एस आएगा. यस, मैंने आपको बताया भी था. ई एस यूज्ड. यस, ई एस एडेड टू द वर्ड दैट एंड्स विथ एस ओ सी एच एस एच जेड एक्स. करेक्ट. तो चिल्ड्रन, आपको ये बहुत ध्यान रखना है कि ई एस कहाँ ऐड किया जाएगा और एस कहाँ ऐड किया जाएगा. गर्ल, लैम्प, BRANCH, branch, HOUSE, house, CLASS, class. Okay, so write the plural here. आपको यहाँ plurals करना है. Okay children, one more thing. Yes, now how was your last day? कैसा डे था आपका लास्ट? बताएंगे आप? Okay, now today during query class, please टेल मी ओनली 2 सेंटेंसेज. आप मुझे सिर्फ आज 2 सेंटेंसेज बताएंगे कि कल आपने क्या किया. यस, वॉट एवर यू हैव डन. यू एट टेस्टी फूड, यू इंजॉयड फ्लाइंग काइट. यस, कुछ भी, जो भी आपने किया. यू स्पेंड सम टाइम, सम क्वालिटी टाइम विद योर पेरेंट्स और ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. यस, आपने अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से कुछ फ्रीडम फाइटर की कहानियाँ भी सुनी होंगी. सुनाई आपके कुछ ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स ने? ओके, तो कुछ भी, जो भी आपने किया, प्लीज़ टेल मी ड्यूरिंग क्वेरी क्लास. ओके, बट चिल्ड्रन, कीप दिस थिंग इन योर माइंड. टेल मी ओनली 2 sentences about your last day in English only. Okay, use English language during query class. Okay children. So children, please complete your work very very carefully and neatly. आपको बहुत ध्यान से अपना वर्क करना है. ठीक है, और एक बार आप सभी रूल्स को ट्राई करेंगे. एंड सून आई विल डिक्लेयर द डेट ऑफ क्लास टेस्ट of the topics use of AN and singular and plural. Okay? So children, bye bye. Have a nice day.